Hi you guys, this is the quick overview of where you're going to build. This web app is Twitter Bootstrap, so it's scalable. It has some functionalities such as being able to connect to Wi-Fi, resetting the Wi-Fi back to ad hoc network. Essentially, we're going to be replicating what Balena.io has developed, which is having an ad hoc network. You've been able to connect to the ad hoc network, not captive portal, but being able to connect to the Wi-Fi and then switch over from ad hoc network into Wi-Fi network. In addition to that, we're going to be able to reboot and shut down and have some logs and toggle debugging mode. So this is what you're going to get. This is made in PHP, JavaScript, CSS, and we're going to do this in different builds. We're going to have a hello world build, then we're going to have a shutdown reboot build, then we're going to have a Wi-Fi ad hoc configuration, and then we're going to have a setting up Wi-Fi, and then finally we're going to have a build on logs and debugging. So this is what you're going to get, and let's go on to the first series, which is building the build server.